Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 7. So let's start with today's crypto analysis. Bitcoin, if you see on Friday, it closed a good bearish candle and it shows price might continue its trend downside and also it just started falling from a really good important level. Uh, It was already marked with us as a supply zone. This was the supply zone, and this was a entry we were having on a 4-hour time frame, which is already almost in profits targeting. And also, if you see on 1 hour as well, we planned up a trade, and it got us with a good profit targets. If you see on 4 hour, this was a really important level for Bitcoin as it was a previous swing high and possibly reversal could be seen at this level, but the price failed to sustain and gave up a reversal or a fall continuation of downtrend. Also, we can see it's bearish only for till now, and we won't be planning any buy trades for because of the same reason. And if we see this is the major selling zone for us as it's a supply zone, and this could be also a selling area. If the price taps here and gets us with an entry, we can plan a sell trade, and that's it for Bitcoin. Also, if you see on the weekly time frame, Bitcoin is closing a sort of doji candle or indecisive candle. So upcoming week would be very important for the Bitcoin and the crypto markets for deciding its trend or where it wants to go. If it wants to continue its downside trend or just continue upside, giving a good rally. So that's it for Bitcoin. Heading on to Ethereum. Ethereum on the weekly time frame is also closing a doji candle with big wicks upside and downside and a really small body. If we see on the daily time frame, just yesterday, day before yesterday closed, good bearish candle showing a weakness in buying and reversing from the level of level which we have marked with, or it was a crucial level for Ethereum. If it sustained above it, it could have made a good rally upside, but showing weakness or the selling strength, just coming down back from this level. And let's see if the price continues downside from here, as the markets are bearish only. So this is the possible selling zone for Ethereum, and this is the nearest 1 hour area where we could plan up a sell trade, and it could be planned right away right there. If this closes well, we could plan up a sell trade right now on the Ethereum and not in the Bitcoin for now. So that's it for Ethereum. If we come up to next XRP on the weekly time frame is closing bearish candle, strange, and it's showing that this demand zone is getting weaker and weaker after this massive fall previously, and uh, it might be possible that it might not respect it anymore and go continue its down move. And if we see it on the daily time frame, it's just on a low pattern which is showing the bearishness and also closed a good bearish candle last 3 days, and also getting a selling from very good levels. And right here it just formed a double top pattern and just went well downside. So yes, if we also consider uh, 1 hour time frame, we just had a good entry on 1 hour time frames as well, and got a good opportunity for selling and got targets within it. And for now, this is the level for selling we could plan to sell. And further, this could be the major level for selling or reversal we could look for. And that's it for XRP now. It's only for selling as the markets are weak. As no buying would be planned till a good reversal or the bullish momentum would be seen in the markets. Also, if we come up to BNB is closing a doji candle only. It's indecisive, having no body and just both side big wicks being indecisive and just consolidating at this zone. If we see on the daily time frame, it just tried to break its previous swing high but failed to sustain. Also tried to make a double bottom pattern and may gave a good upside move, but right now it's not continuing upside as it must have been. Or on the 4 hour time frame, it just break this previous swing high and failed to sustain, and right now it's going downside only. So it could be possible that it could continue downside. Its downtrend continuation could be possible, as the price has taken the previous highs liquidity, and it could continue downside as the trend is bearish only. Also, we took up a trade on this similar pattern of liquidity sweep and failing to sustain, and we got us with targets here. Also, if we want to plan up some trade again, so this could be the possible area for selling for now on BNB, and we could plan up a trade right here if we get some good entries. Also, let's wait for good entries, and this is the possible reversal zone. This is the major selling zone. Let me mark it up for you. So this is the major selling zone, and this is the selling zone for 1 hour time frame. We could be looking for sells as if market makes up some good selling patterns. So that's it for it. Coming on to Solana on the weekly time frame, it's just also closing a good doji indecisive candle. Okay, so it's also on a demand zone right now, and let's see if it sustains it again or just falls back downside from this level, as the markets are bearish and not able to sustain its current levels and drawing down only. Coming on to daily time frame, it just swept its previous swing high and just trying to go or continue downside only. So it could be possible that it could continue down as the markets are not looking well for upside. Also, it closed a good bearish candle, yes, on Friday. Also, we planned up a buy trade on 4 hour time frame, and we got 1:1 risk reward and just got stopped out as the market were not looking well, as it reversed from the crucial level of selling zone we have marked with, and it was really well selling, as we also entered a sell trade right above this liquidity sweep. We entered after the reversal was seen on Solana, and we got with the targets here. Um, Really well movement was seen downside, and all the profits are booked. Also, one stop loss was also got because of this liquidity sweep. We were also stopped out because we were in a trade for selling, but we re-entered and got us with the 1:3 risk reward, which was amazingly well. So for now, Solana, this is the major selling zone, and this is the possible selling area. We could be seen possible selling incoming, and yes, that's it. No buying on any coin as the markets are bearish. There, we would be only selling on those every highs price mix. Okay, coming on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the weekly time frame is going to close a good bearish candle, mm, uh, but it's not sustaining below its previous two candles, so it's showing weak selling, but also considerably selling only as it's going to close below the previous closings of the candle. So bearishness is intact in the markets for now, and it's slowing down, or it might be possible that it could end, but till we get some confirmations, we are not gonna make it happen, or we are not assuming it till it happens. So coming on to daily time frame of very good bearish candle was closed on Friday. Okay, so on the 4 hour time frame, if you see, it tried to make a good uh, double top pattern but failed, and then again went down and got up with a good selling, uh, but we haven't got any good pattern or opportunity for selling, so we stayed out of this chaos, and we are in no trading for Dogecoin. Also, if you see, we planned up this double top pattern, but it just got us it just got us with stop loss, and just after us getting stopped out, it just went really well downside in our favor. So it was just a liquidity sweep, or whatever you could say. uh, no worries, it was just one of a stop loss we got. Other uh, in total we are in profits only, and so if I say in Dogecoin, it's not in a very good zone for selling right now, as it could retrace back upside a little bit to get a good opportunity for selling, but as seen uh, a very strong bearish momentum, so this could be the only the possible area for selling if a good opportunity is made in the markets, or we could look up for this area for the price to come up and then make up some selling opportunity, and then we could sell it better, and till then it's on the selling only, as uh, this previous swings are intact and it's on a lower low pattern, so we won't be planning any sell trade till the price changes its structure to bullishness. We are only selling on every highs. That's it for today. I hope you liked the analysis. Thank you so much. Stay tuned for the upcoming analysis and the results.